Hi, DJ Hurley here, back with another big brown box, which means I have another light for you. Thanks to my friends at Betopper, today I'm unboxing and taking a first look at the Betopper CLB260-0. Let's get into it, see what's inside the box. So this is the box within the box. Betopper full power compact beam CLB260 DMX 512 sound activated auto. We'll get into all that in a while. Let's get inside this box. Let's get her open and we'll take a look at what is inside the actual light box itself. Okay, as you would expect, we've got ourselves a manual. Pop that down. Useful if you want to know what the DMX channels are doing. Got a cloth. That's a nice touch. That's a really nice touch. Didn't get that in the last one. Standard mounting bracket for the light, so perfect for putting up the light unit with all the necessary bolts and washers. Good stuff. We've got, same as the last Betopper, please contact us for troubleshooting, 1 year warranty, so a warranty card which goes with the light as well. All good. And I can see, let's take the foam inserts out. Safety chain, very useful. Didn't get this with the last unit, but I suspect this one's actually a lot heavier, so the safety chain is provided. Let's try and get it out of the box. Also inside the box, power lead. Again, that's really useful. They've sent me the UK version. And this time, got DMX lead thrown in as well. Don't remember seeing that in the previous light fixture. You know my problem, I can never make an unboxing look sexy. Let's see what it looks like. So I can see there's a cover on the screen here, on the main lens rather, not the screen. I'll try and take that off. Lovely. If I just spin it round for you, just like the last Betopper light, we've got an LCD screen here, full control on the unit. Connector wise, we're looking at DMX in, DMX out, as you'd expect. Your power in and also a power out, so you can daisy chain your power. And again, just like the last Betopper light, which I really appreciate, it's actually got two handles, two grab handles. Of course, if you're mounting it, you've got mounting points on the bottom, and that is for the bracket which I showed you earlier. So the CLB260 is listed on the Betopper website, betopperdj.com, as the Betopper 9R 260 watt Osram moving head beam Pro stage light. An ultra bright feature packed unit designed for pro level events and performances. Let's get into the details and see what this light can do and see if it lives up to the hype. First up, the brightness. This thing is a beast. At 180,000 lux at 10 meters, it's 50% brighter than Betopper's popular 7R model, and that's some serious power for lighting up large venues, stages, and event spaces. The heart of this light is the Osram Sirius HRI 251 watt bulb. It's a step above the standard LEDs, delivering richer colors, sharper contrasts, and an output equivalent to an 800 watt LED fixture. Imagine that. Plus, the bulb is renowned for its longevity, making it a reliable choice for professionals. It really is. Now let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: heat management. So the CLB260 comes with upgraded fans that provide enhanced airflow while staying whisper quiet. So whether you're running it during a full live concert or in a more intimate setting, like in a theatre or somewhere like that, you won't have to worry about overheating or distracting fan noises. Control-wise, this light gives you a ton of options. So there's a full LCD display for manual settings. It's ready for DMX 512 with 12-channel control. If DMX isn't your thing, you've also got sound activation and auto modes for easy operation. I'm probably going to go with the sound activation. And the effects, they're next level in this. There's a 14 gobo wheel, 12 color wheel, frost lens, and 8 facet prism, giving you endless creative possibilities. It's unbelievable. Whether you're creating intricate patterns, atmospheric washes, or dramatic spotlights, this light has you covered, honestly. It also features advanced dimming and strobing effects, making it perfect for professional lighting setups. It really is. So who is this for? Whether you're a stage designer, DJ, or event producer, the CLB260 delivers pro-grade performance in a compact package, as you can see. It's ideal for concerts, theatre productions, as I mentioned, weddings, and other large-scale events, to be honest with you. One more thing to keep in mind: if you buy directly from Betopper's website, betopperdj.com, you get free delivery, and they typically ship within 5 to 10 days. So you're not only getting an incredible light, but also fast and hassle-free shopping. Let me switch to give you a bit of a demo of what this light actually looks like, and I'll put up on the screen all the specs that I can for the Betopper CLB260. That's it for today's review. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DJ tips, tricks, guidance and reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the Betopper CLB260. Have you used one before? Have you used any of their lights? Or if there's another light that you'd recommend for someone looking to put on some events, drop it in the comments. It will help other people. Thanks for watching. Time for me to get back to prepping some of my mixes. Ciao.